Go on now, give it a try. Deep breath in, long breath out. Good, then we'll release that, release everything. And let's come into a Shavasana here. I'm gonna spend a couple minutes here, so the invitation is to really allow yourself to be here. Your mind may want to move on to the next thing, but can we allow ourselves to just return to this little bit of time and space where we don't have to do anything? Put it under the knees. Again, if you don't have it, no worries. Just an option. Allow the legs to extend. So we're just going to take a second to move up and down, massaging the ears and behind the ears. Extend out long, patting under the knees or not. Take your hands and bring them to your ears. We will create a little space between the index finger and middle finger, or the middle finger and ring finger, whatever feels